Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here. So this is the Eachine Trashcan, and a couple of people asked me, how did you get rid of a Jello problem? That means when the propellers are imbalanced or there's vibration transmitting to the camera, the video will not be recorded clearly. It will have some kind of waves on it, or in other words we call it Jello. So they asked me, how did I get rid of Jello? Because my videos of Eachine Trashcan, the DVR videos, were pretty clear. They didn't have Jello. Well, I want to show you what I did to get rid of Jello. Yes, in the beginning I did have Jello, but I got rid of it by doing this. So the first thing you want to notice is that the camera system is basically mounted with 1, 2, and 3 screws. Alright, right on top you can see. Now instead of those 3 screws, I have 3 zip ties. Why I did that? Well, it's because the first crash actually broke one of the pillars that were housing the screw, or getting the things tightened with the screws. So what I did was I cut all the pillars. I remove all the pillars and remove all the screws. And what I did was because there are 2 boards there. You can see the camera board. There's a board right behind the camera, and under that you can see double-sided tape, a layer, 2 or 4 layers of double-sided tape. All right, so these double-sided tapes will basically remove the Jello, and after that all I need to do was tie it with the zip ties, and everything works sweet. No Jello at all. So there you are, and basically that settled this Jello problem. I do not have Jello now. So having to have double-sided tape between 2 boards, and then these 3 zip ties, they also actually act as vibration dampers. So there is no Jello in the videos. There you go. I hope this helps you guys, and happy FPV whooping.